welcome back to the channel. Today we back harvesting corn. I'm moving down the road on the grain cart right now. Due to the bin situation, Mickey's freed up. He's going to be hauling straight to town, to Lawrenceburg, and so I'll be on the cart probably most of the day if everything works out all right in the AC. It's comfortable outside today, no hoodie. So we'll talk to you when I get to the field. Well, this is the field I've been dreading. It's got a lot of down spots. You can see right in there, there's a bunch down. And if you see all them little green tuffles out there, that's sprouted corn. So far what we've shelled, there's a lot of sprouted corn on the ground. I can walk through and see a lot of cobs on the ground. See what he does there. Just kind of having to go over it. This was a spot that was down. All that has ears. Sprouted from an ear. Yeah, we got about 70 acres here. Right at 70. And then we got a 9-acre field on over the road, and then we got to go back and get a 7-acre field that we couldn't get into the field because of tree limbs hanging down. So I hope to be wrapped up here pretty soon this week and starting on beans. I stopped and looked at a field on the way over here that from the road, it was the first planted field. From the road, it looked like it was popping, but they're ready, but they're not popping yet. Well, I pulled up here to unload and broke a shear boat, so I didn't think to video that, but I'm back going. This is the shear boat I was talking about. I think it just vibrated out on the ride over here. This is one of her furthest away fields, but usually when it shears up, I've got some problems still if I'm unloading, but it worked fine, so I think it just vibrated out. I keep several spares in the tractor with me. So we'll talk to you in a minute. You can see directly behind the combine, right over there, it's a bunch down. It'd gotten better for a while, and now it's just getting back in it, and I can see spots on out in the field. That's going to be pretty bad, but we still get corn out of it. Just look at that. I'm going to have to say this has been a fairly boring day, because he's having to go slow, not getting the grain in, and just sitting here on the grain cart. Well, the cavalry has arrived. Time for me to go to work for about 5 minutes, and that's it again. There right there in the middle was standing corn. We're about to finish up on the rows that run this way, and the rest of the field runs that way. It's the way the field lays with some ditches. But there's another little spot on the other side of them trees. We're going to go knock it out. So we'll talk to you over there. We're going to open up this little back field here. It ain't but 4 or 5 acres. And I think we're fixing to fill the truck. We're trying to beat Lawrenceburg before they close. I don't think we're going to be able to do it. I have to send it to Florence, Alabama. I think they're staying open to 7. So we'll talk to you here in a little bit. Make sure you don't get a tree limb. Well, I ain't got a cart full, but hopefully enough to fill him and get him to Lawrenceburg before they close. And that's going to be a big if. I'm going to have to call up there. So we'll talk to you in a minute. So one elevator is full, and we'll have room in the morning, and they've done shut down. The other one is about 40 minutes away and closed in 20 minutes. So we're going to fill the grain cart and cut a load on the combine and call it a day. We didn't get a whole lot done because we're just having to go slow and trying to get as much corn as we can. But we'll have this cut out, and you can kind of see what we've already got cut out. I'm gonna say about 25 acres, maybe not that much. Yeah, probably about 25 acres. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I don't try to go over 12 minutes, and I do my editing as I go throughout the day, and I think I'm close to 10. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Subscribe. And for those that don't know, I leave my Gmail and my Facebook down in the description if you want to be my friend on Facebook. I don't do much on there anymore. Too much fighting and bickering. But that's where I'm at. And I had a guy trying to get in touch with me today about the 2366, and told him to email me, and he couldn't find my email, but it's there. So we'll have maybe three more corn harvesting videos if nothing happens. Then we'll move on to soybeans. I still got to plant wheat in about a week. Get some of that and just break up the monotony every once in a while. So we'll see you the next time.